Alright everybody, here's what we got this week. We're going to keep it short and sweet because I don't know if anybody's watching this. Okay, Math 1, you have watch this video, which I realize is silly to say because if you're watching this, you're hearing this. Check and form, Google Slides lesson for this week. Read the slides, take the notes, practice problems on page 5 through 7. Wednesday, Thursday, same thing. Read the slides, take the notes, practice problems. Nothing really here other than where your homework is. Same thing here. That's where your homework is. Okay, let's go back then. Here are the 2 Google Slides lessons. When you open them, you'll see all the slides. Go through them, read them one by one. Some of them make references back to your notebook, so it might be good to have your notebook open so you can look at it and take notes. There's 2 of those. Correlation coefficient, scatter plots. That's the check and form. Here's the homework. There's some extra notes, but you don't need them if you took the other notes. And then here's the homework. And it's there for day 1. Day 2 homework. We keep scrolling. There it is. Day 2. Alright. The rest of this document we'll do next week. That's it. Take care. Bye.